Here is why your skin got worse after you started taking skincare seriously. Let me guess, you probably never had any serious skin concern and then you decided to start skincare. And now your skin is burning, peeling, your acne is getting worse, and your skin is getting darker. This video might offend you, but your skin will thank you.
Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind, oh.
Your skin did not get worse because of skincare. It got worse because you went from neglect to overload. You literally shocked your skin. One of the reasons why your skin is reacting the way it currently is since you started taking skincare seriously is, first of all, too many actives all at once. What people typically do: vitamin C in the morning, niacinamide and alpha arbutin, retinol in the night, exfoliating toner in between, and on the spot treatment for acne and hyperpigmentation. One of the reasons why this backfires is compromised skin barrier, microinflammation, breakouts, and burning masked as purging. Your skin is not strong, it is stressed. Number two, wrong layering, because everybody online makes layering look easy. And one of the reasons why this can backfire is layering low pH acid with retinol, applying too many serums because it is lightweight. And this results in increased irritation and even more hyperpigmentation, especially in melanin rich skin. Another reason why your skincare is not working is trend hopping. This one is a silent skin killer. One week you are skin cycling, the next week you are slugging, and the next week you are trying out glass skincare routine because, of course, it is popular on TikTok. What happens in reality is that your skin never stabilizes enough to heal. Number four, you started taking your skin as a project and not an organ that it is, overreacting at every tiny breakout, stressing out and panic buying, obsessively looking at the mirror from time to time because you want to know if the product has started working. What actually happens in reality is that you're just going to be stressed out. Increased stress equals to higher cortisol, and cortisol makes your acne get even worse. So you see, this is a very vicious cycle. Skincare anxiety is directly proportional to skin inflammation. So relax, drink cold water and relax. Number five, your skin type changed, but you did not realize it, and hence you keep buying products for a skin that you thought you had. Your skin moved from normal to being sensitized or oily to being dehydrated oily, but you did not notice. The goal of skincare is not to constantly fix your skin. The goal of skincare is to get your skin calm enough to the point where it doesn't need constant fixing. You might ask, how do you fix it? Number one, strip back, stop. And I said this in my last video, but I'm going to say it again. Stop. Get back to basic. Cleanse, moisturize, sunscreen. Only, no active. Cleanse, gentle cleanser, moisturize, gentle moisturizer, sunscreen to protect your skin, and do this for 2 to 4 weeks. Step two, reintroduce one active, not two, not three, one active after 4 weeks of stripping back. And the choice of active will be based off of your main skin concern. For example, if you have an oily skin and you have persistent acne, the choice of active will be salicylic acid. Number three, learn your skin's no. Learn when your skin is trying to tell you no. Peeling is not directly proportional to glow. Burning is not directly proportional to purging. Skincare didn't ruin your skin. Copying, overdoing, and rushing it did. And in reality, healthy skin is actually boring, and that is absolutely fine. Which product did you regret using the most? Did your skin start to get worse after you started taking skincare a little too seriously? And would you guys like to see videos on how to properly reset your damaged skin or your skin with damaged skin barrier? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. And till I come your way next time, bye.
Place my feet on the top of the hill. sure.